Hi, my name is Travis Huggins. This is for Anatomy and Physiology 2, Module 2, and the second lab, where we're going to go over the roles of the various types of cells in the blood and their function. So, first off, we have up top the plasma, right in here. This accounts, well, 90% of plasma is water. The exact amount of water in the blood is what determines how viscous it is. 9% of plasma is plasma proteins, and those proteins are albumin, which is responsible for blood's colloid osmotic pressure. Immune proteins, these are antibodies used for the adaptive immunity. Transport proteins, these are lipoproteins or globulins. They transport lipid-based molecules, essentially. They also include clotting proteins. These are the Roman numeral clotting factors that are discussed during the coagulation cascade. They're responsible for helping with hemostasis. Next up, we have our leukocytes, the white blood cells, right in here. These are broken into several different types of cells. So we have neutrophils, which are the most common. They are attracted to injured cells. They're phagocytes, so they attack bacteria and they consume bacteria. Eosinophils, basophils. Basophils help with mediating inflammation. Lymphocytes, which are there are two different types of lymphocytes. There's B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes secrete antibodies, and T lymphocytes activate the immune system and destroy abnormal cells. And last but not least, for the leukocytes is the monocyte. These exit the bloodstream and can mature into macrophages, which means they eat the dead cells of the body. But monocytes can also activate the immune system. Next up, we have the platelets right here down below. And platelets are responsible for hemostasis, working along with the clotting factors mentioned in the plasma. When there's injury, platelets are what help seal and plug the gap. They are not actually cells, they're just fragments of cells that are enclosed in plasma membranes. And last but not least, we have the erythrocytes right down here. More easily pronounced and easily said, they're the red blood cells. And simply put, their function is to carry oxygen away from the lungs to the rest of the body and carry carbon dioxide from the rest of the body back to the lungs to be expelled. Thank you very much.